Very much. Your Excellency the Governor, the Speaker, and members of the County Assembly, fellow members of the County Public Service Board, Chief Executive Leadership, and the public servants of Nyamira County and all protocols observed, thank you. Having taken the oath of office, I wish first to express my sincere gratitude to the people of Nyamira County for the confidence they have placed in us. We accept this responsibility with humility, gratitude, and a deep sense of duty. As we begin this new chapter, I wish to acknowledge and appreciate the chairpersons, members, and staff of the previous county service boards who have served Nyamira County since the advent of devolution. Through their dedication and commitment, they laid the foundations upon which we shall stand today and in the future. We inherit institutions, systems, and valuable lessons from their service. Our task is to build on these foundations, strengthen what works, improve where necessary, and leave the county public service stronger than we found it. Today, I want to give a clear assurance to the people of Nyamira County that I will discharge my duties as the chairman and as my board faithfully, impartially, and in strict adherence to the Constitution and the laws of Kenya. We will serve all residents of this county without favor, discrimination, or prejudice. Our loyalty will remain to the Constitution, people of Nyamira, and the mandate entrusted to us as the County Public Service Board. We are equally committed to fostering constructive and respectful working relationship with all county institutions. While each institution has its constitutional role, effective service delivery depends on cooperation, mutual respect, and shared commitment to the public good. I therefore look forward to working closely with the Office of the Governor, the County Executive, the County Assembly, and oversight institutions, and all stakeholders in advancing the development of the county. And to the staff of the County Public Service Board and the wider county public service, we wish to assure you that you are valued partners in this journey. We need your support, your expertise, and your commitment. You should feel safe, respected, and treated fairly during our tenure. Together, we shall promote professionalism, integrity, accountability, and excellence in service to our people. Having been without a board for the past 11 months, the task before us is significant, but we are confident that through teamwork, integrity, and dedication, we can build a county public service board that is efficient, responsive, and worthy of the trust that people of Nyamira have placed in us. We thank our families, colleagues, and friends, and all those who have supported us throughout this journey, and assure them, we the board members, that we look forward to serving alongside the rest of the Nyamira County team together as one family and a shared vision for the county. As we begin this journey together, I ask for your support, your counsel, and your prayers. May God bless the people of Nyamira County. May God bless the Nyamira County, and may God bless Kenya. Thank you very much.
The Secretary to the Nyamira County Public Service Board. For the Excellency, you gave us a task to be able to accomplish and invite men and women from this republic to be able to apply for the position of chair, members, and secretary to the County Public Service Board. We're glad that we had good applicants to be able to vet, and we are happy, Your Excellency, that you are able to get professionals, men and women from this republic who can actually be able to serve at the Nyamira County Public Service Board. On behalf of the panel, is just be able to congratulate all the members and the chair and the secretary. We believe, taking this from the panel's perspective, that you are capable and you have the energy and the will to be able to serve the people of the Republic of Kenya, and more specifically, Nyamira County. It's an honor, and I believe that with the honor bestowed to you, you will be able to uphold and make Nyamira great. Thank you, Your Excellency, and I wish them well as they take.
For once, we have been without a board for 1 year. We have a shortage of health workers of 100 plus. 100 plus. So as they come to the office, the first priority is to advertise for those jobs and take interviews, employ the best. By so doing, they would have supported the health sector and other sectors in the county. It's all around. It's a service board. Asante sana.
Thank you.
Ambassador Kenani, we have Dr. Zablon Ayera, we have CPA Geoffrey Bongoi, we have Mr. Presta Maugo.